Is there a way to expedite the Steam refund process and reduce the pending duration?
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to expedite the Steam refund process and reduce the pending duration. If you've ever requested a refund on Steam and found yourself waiting for a long time, this video is for you. Let's get started.
Understand Steam's refund policy.
Before we dive into the tips and tricks to expedite the refund process, it's important to understand Steam's refund policy. Steam allows refunds for most purchases made on the platform, but there are certain conditions that must be met. The game or software you're requesting a refund for should have been purchased within the last 14 days, and you should have played it for less than 2 hours. Pre-release titles may have different refund conditions, so be sure to check the specific policy for those.
How to request a refund.
To initiate a refund on Steam, follow these steps. 1. Launch the Steam client and go to your Account Details page. 2. Find the purchase you want to refund and click on it. 3. From the drop-down menu, select I would like a refund. 4. Choose the reason for your refund request from the provided options. 5. Submit the refund request.
Tips to expedite the refund process.
3.1 Provide clear and concise information when submitting your refund request. It's crucial to provide clear and concise information about why you're seeking a refund. Be specific about any issues you encountered, such as technical problems or misleading advertising. Clearly communicate the reason for your dissatisfaction to help Steam understand your situation better. 3.2 Attach relevant evidence to strengthen your case and expedite the refund process. Attach relevant evidence that supports your refund request. This can include screenshots, videos, or any other documentation that demonstrates the issue you encountered. Visual evidence can often speak louder than words and help the Steam support team assess your request more efficiently. 3.3 Contact Steam support if necessary. If your refund request is taking longer than expected or you believe it's stuck in the pending phase, don't hesitate to reach out to Steam support. You can contact them through the Steam support website or via the Steam client. Explain your situation politely and provide the necessary details, including your refund request ID if you have it. Steam support is usually responsive and will assist you in resolving any issues with your refund. 3.4 Be patient and check your email. While it's understandable to want a speedy resolution, it's important to remember that the refund process can take some time. Be patient and allow Steam support to review your request thoroughly. Additionally, regularly check your email for any updates or messages from Steam regarding your refund. Sometimes, they may require additional information or clarification, so staying on top of your email communication will help expedite the process. And there you have it. By understanding Steam's refund policy, following the correct procedure, providing clear information, attaching relevant evidence, and reaching out to Steam support if needed, you can expedite the Steam refund process and reduce the pending duration. Remember to be patient throughout the process, and hopefully, your refund will be processed in a timely manner. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.